Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essential proofs, your Caste certificate and a clear scanned copy, because the portal verifies details against originals. Once done, log into the CET account with your application ID and authenticate using the OTP sent to your registered mobile. This prevents session timeouts. Make sure to use a desktop, not a phone, for file uploads since the portal accepts specific file sizes and formats. This reduces submission errors and speeds up validation when you move to the correction section. You now navigate to the correction form, click Edit Details or the dedicated Corrections tab because that's where Caste edits are permitted. Then select the Caste field and choose the correct category. Attach the scanned Caste certificate in the required format and size. Explain the change briefly in the reason box, since clear justification speeds officer review. Once you attach files, preview them and confirm that the certificate name, registration name, and application name exactly match to avoid rejection. You finish by submitting the correction and noting the reference number. This is essential for tracking and any follow-up. If the portal requires a correction fee, pay it instantly and save the receipt and confirmation screenshot for proof. After submission, monitor the application status daily. Use the reference number to check progress. If the change is delayed beyond published timelines, contact the CET help desk with your reference and documents. Escalate only after waiting the stated processing period to avoid duplicate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.